Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a subscription box unboxing for you. I have taken off the plastic wrapping, but I haven't actually undone the box yet. This is the Cosy Candles subscription box. For those of you that don't know or haven't seen my previous videos, the Cosy Candles are wax melt subscription company. They are hand poured soy wax melts. There's two different options that you can do. The first one is a mini melt subscription box, which provides you with 28 little tiny hearts. They're really cute. You get 4 different surprise scents each month. Each mini melt weighs approximately 5 grams. That's 140 hours of fragrance per box. Every box comes with instructions as to how to use. You do need a wax melt burner thing. I will insert a picture of one here for use in case you don't know what one is. I'm obsessed with them. My one's on the table at the minute, and I would bring it over, but I'm currently burning one of these from my last box and it's hot, so I can't pick it up. I wouldn't have lit it if I'd have known. Obviously this came and I didn't know the postman was going to bring it, so yeah, I'll insert a picture. And that's £9.99 a month. You can do subscriptions. I think there's a 3-month subscription, or you can just do it on a rolling monthly basis. I do have a discount code which is 30 off, which I'll put on the screen now, which will get you 30% off your first box, which would take £3 off that one, so you get it for £7. And then the one that I have is the Cosy Pod subscription box, and these are the larger melts, and you get 6 different flavours a month. Each wax melt has its own unique scent, and then it's 80 grams and it's approximately 480 hours of fragrance per box. I did work it out in my last video exactly how much it would cost if you got them elsewhere, and I'll put that on the screen or insert it or put it in the description somewhere. I'm not going to work it out again right now because I'm just not. I've already done that maths and I'm not doing it again. So if you use the discount code, I don't get anything for the discount code. It's just from Cosy Candles to you guys. This box that I've got is $14.99 a month, but you can get it for £10.50. So let's just unbox it and see. So it comes in this little box. I don't want to rip it. I don't want to have to cut this string. I think I'm going to have to, or I'm going to be here. Oh no, I've done it. I've done it. I've done it. Good job me. Well done me. Pat on the back. I like to keep string. I don't know why. So I'm gonna just grab some scissors. There's a little bit of tape. Da, 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 da. How cute is it? I think it's so pretty. It just smells incredible. Like as soon as you take off the plastic wrapping, you can smell it, and it smells amazing. So this is the little thing telling you how to do it. So it says, using your Cosy Pods. Your Cosy Pods are approximately 80 grams each. Simply break a small amount off by snapping, we recommend like in quarters. Place the chosen scent in the wax warmers designed like how I've shown you. Turn your wax warmer on if you've got a proper wax warmer, or you can use a candle tea light one like what I've got. Sit back and enjoy the heavenly scent. And then when you're finished your wax melt, simply pop the warm wax and simply melt your wax, and once the wax is pliable, pop out the wax into the bin and then give it a wipe, and then choose your next scent. So, oh, there's a Citronella one. I'm gonna just, this is it. It looks like this. They're so pretty, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna have to go for the Citronella first because I absolutely love the smell of Citronella. Really love it. And Citronella mosquitoes don't like, so that's one of the reasons I like it, and it smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. It's just a really nice summery. Oh, I love Citronella. I'm really happy about that one. Next up, I've got Raspberry Ripple. Wow. That smells like some sweets. I can't think what were the little sweets that were like stripy, white and stripy. It smells like them. I don't think they make them anymore. But like white, people my age will know, they're white and stripy. I think they were hard little sweets, and I think it's them. That smells amazing. We've got green tea. Never had green tea, so I've got no idea what this is actually supposed to smell like. Oh, but it's really nice and fresh. Oh, that's lovely. if that's what green tea tastes like, I'm gonna have some. That smells really nice and fresh, like it's a really lovely summer scent. Next up we've got Ocean Breeze. I'm not as keen on this one. Not as keen on that one at all. I don't know, I can't place that. That smells like, I don't know, I'm just not as keen on that one. I don't think I'll use this one. I'll probably give this one to my mum because she's got a burner as well. But I'm not keen on that one. I'm sure other people will love it, but that isn't for me. And that's like, and it doesn't bother me at all with this, like things like this where there are different flavours. It's how you learn what things you like, and I know that I don't like that. This one is Gardenia, or Gardenia, I never know how to say it. Get open. Oh my god, that's amazing, that one. Oh, that's so pretty. That is literally just gardenias, the flowers. Really, really nice and summery. I'm gonna burn that one. That's the first one I'm burning. Definitely. Oh, that's lovely. And then this one is Baltic Amber and Clove. Now I don't like the smell of clove, so I don't know if I like this one or not. Amber, I've got no idea what that smells of. Get out. It's a really pretty colour. Get out. Ooh. Oh no, it smells nice. Could not place clove in that if you paid me. I would not be able to tell you that that smells of cloves. So it must be amber, but that's really nice. That's such a pretty colour. I love orange. Yeah, that's really lovely as well. So I really like all of them. I mean, the Ocean Breeze one, I'm not going to use that, but I know my mum will probably like that. Or I might put it in a giveaway actually. Yeah, I'm going to put it in a giveaway because it's nice to have stuff like this that isn't just makeup in my giveaway. So I'll put this one in a giveaway. But I really, really love the other ones. So yeah, thank you to Cosy Candles for sending me it again. I absolutely love it, and my house smells amazing. I've had so many compliments of people coming round and being like, what are you burning? And I'm like, and I show them and they want it. And I have had someone stole one of my friends did. Pinch. Mosquito, I need to burn the Citronella one. Yeah, one of my friends did break a bit off of one of the ones the last time because she thought it was so nice. Go away, it's a fly. Oh, I'm over summer. Is anybody else just over summer and just ready for autumn? I'm ready for boots and tights and jumpers, and I've gone off on a tangent, but I don't know flies. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much to Cosy Candles for sending me this. I think it's a really awesome box. I would absolutely love to get this as a present. The mini melt subscription as well, I think that would be a perfect present for somebody. I'll put a picture of it on the screen now, or like I'll screenshot theirs and put it on. And you'll see it's so pretty with the little hearts. It's just so cute. So yeah, I think if you have got someone that you want to get a nice present for, that and a little burner would be like the perfect present. So yeah, do they sell burners? Let's see. They might even sell burners. Let me see. They do sell them individually, not individually, like 10 of them at a time. So if you've got a flavour that you absolutely love, you can go onto the website and get the ones that you like. So that's really nice. And it says buy 3 get 1 free. So if you're going to buy them on their own, oh, I didn't realise this was I can tell you this now, how unprepared I am. These on their own are $3.99 normally, but they're on sale at the moment, some of them for $2.99, and there is loads and loads of different smells. So they're all $2.99 at the moment, so that's really good. So head on over, if you've got one that you've had before that you absolutely love, go over and stock up. I think I might. I'm going to go and get another Citronella one because it's so nice. And I think there's a few other ones. Some of the flavours are amazing. There's salted grapefruit. What? Salted grapefruit? I need to smell that one. Apple candy. Cappuccino. Okay, I just want them all. Yeah, I just want them all. I'm going to go. Thanks so much to Cosy Candles for sending me this. Let me know if you guys do it and which ones you get and which flavours, or I say flavours, scents that you like. Or if you've got a favourite scent that you'd think that maybe they should try and do. Maybe that might be an idea. Let them know. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.